bakran hakilat pathai kubol hadin kajilang jongka cabinet ummentri rangba kajila ule thu baka cabinet kala shemia karairu yaki news pa prangot ki nongtrei jongka Border Wing Homeguard ki badai ki nongtrei bapura katkum karai bala ai na kayeng bishar jongka high court ba yaki ni menta on rano ashaka state disaster response force yaki ni ki kam ki batla thalli na ka Border Wing Homeguard ka sarkar kan sakhot banthung thamai ban longkum ki volunteer
regarding the subsuming of 708 permanent posts of Border Wings Homeguard into the State Disaster Response Force. This basically is being done because there was a court ruling many years back where the government was asked to include these 708 people who were appointed at that point in time as permanent employees. And once they become permanent employees, we are not entitled to the voluntary personnel funds which are given by Government of India when it comes to the part-time volunteers. And as you're aware, Government of India gives that for the Border Wing Homeguards. Now, the decision we took today was that we will transfer these posts because they're already permanent employees based on a High Court ruling. And they will become State Disaster Response Force as we're already paying for them. And the 708 post, which will then become vacant technically, where we are not receiving funds from Government of India because they are no longer volunteers, they are now permanent staff, will become vacant because we will shift them permanently to the State Disaster Response Force, which will then create a vacancy of 700 people for us to take as volunteers. And we will recruit 708 people because this fund is available through Government of India and we get money for this. And we will make necessary provisions based on what we learned in the court ruling, which led to the permanent absorption of 708 to ensure that in the future that situation does not happen again. So that's the third decision that we took.